Amsterdam, drunk off vibe. London, England, drunk off vibe. Hit the States and we drunk off vibe. Pretty girl, broke off wine. Flex in a babe, skirt in a rave. While y'all in my face, you don't know my name. Drop down, the whole place shut down. Hey, drop down, so much love now. Hey.
What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the notifications. So today I'm doing an unboxing and a review, and this is for a company that reached out to me and they sent me something. I was sent a little something from a company called Sashka, and this company makes glass handmade bracelets. I love anything that's handmade because it's art. The time, the dedication, the motivation to hand make anything is just dope. Like, I just love that. So I was really happy to review this when I found out it was handmade. So we are gonna open this. I'm kind of curious to see what it looks like. You know, I did pick this out, so I kind of have an idea, but I'm just curious to see it in person and see, because it's like handcrafted, you know, so it's a little bit different, I feel like, in person. So looks like I got a little card here. They're on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, and Snapchat. So there's that screenshot. That I also have a little sticker. Oh, that's so cute. Sashka company. I can put this on my Hydro Flask. Boom. Okay, so let's see the bracelet. Ah, it's pretty. So this is what it looks like. It comes in a cute little bag like this. And it says this bracelet was hand crocheted bead by bead by a skilled artist in Nepal. Your purchase empowers women to rise above poverty through fair trade. So this company supports women in poverty in Nepal. So all 70% of the proceeds go back to women empowerment and keeping women out of poverty in Nepal. This is very, very good quality, y'all. I'm actually really shocked and surprised. How did they do that? This is beautiful. This is the color. This is the one that I picked out. These are the colors of it. I like this one because the colors go with everything. And there's gold, there's like a gunmetal or like a silver, and then there's like a white pearl. It kind of looks like a snake almost. I like little stuff like this. Like, this is dope to me. Somebody did this. If y'all could just feel the quality on this, like somebody did this by hand. Look how many beads. It's all beads. It's all made of beads. Like, somebody put this together by hand. There's like 1,000 beads to make this. Okay, so I'm gonna try it on. Let me try it on. Let me take my watch off too so y'all can really see it. And these are glass beads too, so I'm assuming if you wear it, like, it's not something you're gonna have to take off and put on. You can just probably put it on and just leave it on and shower with it and stuff. I'm assuming. It says that these bracelets are made with the world's finest glass beads. I have their website pulled up on my iPad right now just so I can show y'all very quick. I'm going to go to shop all, but this is what their website looks like, and they have lots of different bracelets there. They've got like some bracelet holders too. This bracelet retailed for $24. Most importantly, 70% of the proceeds are donated back to Nepal for women empowerment and women poverty. So this is one reason why I wanted to support this company, because I'm really big on women empowerment, and whatever I can do to help support my fellow woman. I had to have one of these bracelets. I had to get one. I had to collab with this company, so I'm so glad that they reached out to me. If you're interested in purchasing one of these bracelets, I'll put the link to the website down in the description box below, along with an affiliate link so you can get a discount. Thank you all for watching. Please remember to subscribe, comment, and share the video. Thumbs up if you like it. I love you guys, and I will see you in the next one.